Another tree. Awesome. How big this sucker is. Now this one we're probably going to use for firewood. Put this thing up, that'll fill. Now that, look at that. Look at that trunk. Got some mushroom and some stuff like that. But anyway, that thing goes on and on and on. Yeah, we'll probably use this one for firewood. Oh. Nice little view down there. Yeah. I guess. I don't know. We'll see. This falls down. It pretty much destroyed that nice pine tree. But it's gone now. Man, I cannot believe that. But our trail goes on the other end of that. That's another tree we're going to cut up. Alright, so I know we were kind of short on that last video on kind of let y'all see what it kind of looked like. So now, to give you a good idea on this trail, I'm going to walk it in a second, but so you can go right or you can go left / straight. There's a little bit of, it's not 100% complete yet, but you can kind of, I just want to distinguish the trail kind of going on here. It's really rocky right here. Gotta pick some rocks up, all that good stuff. But you can see there's a trail going through here. There's around here. And you go down there, or you can go this way. Tell YouTube world, hey. Or not. So, yep, it's getting cleared out. I'm gonna probably take some of these little small trees out of the way. As you can see, it's cleared out a little bit. I'm gonna take that little stump out of the way too. It's actually a rotten tree. I'm gonna start widening these trails out. It's a bit easier to get through. I'm gonna grade some of these trails as well, but it goes on up there, the trail we just came down on. But it's wide enough for a side-by-side ATV, even the tractor really, but I just like them a little wider. It's not the end result, but it is still a little bit of work to be done. But I know earlier, the video before the last one was put out, we started on this trail. A little more clearing. I just kind of want to show y'all what was going on. And then this little trail will be done. Hey, the tree's not gonna fight back, bud. Everything works out wonderful when you have the right tools. No, this did not take long at all, as long as you have the right tools, obviously, right? So this tree actually ended up beautiful on the inside. This is actually red oak tree, but we get a lot of wood out of this. And Caden's still beating on that one piece of wood. Is it dead yet?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Rotten. It's
rotten? Well, yeah, this little piece is rotten. But But anyway, we've got some good wood. We're going to split up, and we're going to record that as well. And you can see it actually, when this tree fell, it actually destroyed like 3 trees. This little, I guess a little, either a poplar or a gumball. I think it's a gumball tree right there. And you got this nice little pine tree that got destroyed. And the reason it fell is because it was rotting at the trunk of the tree right here. It came straight up from that root right there, from the ground. But this is a red oak, and we counted the rings of one of these. I forget which one it was. I think it was this one right here. You can see every single ring right there equals a year of growth. So we counted all of those, and this tree is over 70 years old. But you can see at the very beginning of this video how it was over this trail right here, and I got my chainsaw and cut all that, from the middle to the top. And then we came back with a bigger chainsaw and got the rest. We're going to split all of that up here shortly. There's some future things that are going to happen on the channel. I'm going to build a woodshed. I'm going to build a bridge across over there to get the 4-wheelers back and forth. There's a big ditch / gully that is kind of corroded a little bit, so it's harder and harder to get across over there. But we're going to build a bridge. There's going to be a lot more coming, with a lot more ATVs, maybe some side-by-sides, maybe some drones. I don't know, it's possible. Stay tuned. We are going to have fun, and I want everybody to join with me in that fun activities. And Caden's gonna keep beating this doggone dead tree right here. Actually, the center of that thing is not dead. The outside is pretty dead. Just like when I saw this tree right here when it was falling over, it looked kind of bad on the outside, but when I started cutting into it, man, it is some pretty good lumber. It is good to go. The outside looked kind of rough, but I knew whenever I started cutting and kind of looked at it a little bit more, it was going to be some good burning wood. Y'all stay tuned, and we're going to have fun, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace out.